Good morning. In the last class, we have seen eighth question up to eight. Now we will start with nine. Two masses M1 5 kg and M2 4.8 kg tied to the string are hanging over a light frictionless pulley. What is the acceleration of the masses when the system is left free to move? What is the acceleration formula? A is equal to m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Here, if m2 is greater than m1, this is the formula. Into g also there. If m1 greater than m2, then formula is A is equal to m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2 into g. Substitute there. Substitute the values. 5 minus 4.8 by 5 plus 4.8. G asking us to take 9.8. So A is equal to 5 minus 4.8, 0.2 by 5 plus 4.8, 9.8 into 9.8. Cancel. A is equal to 0.2 meter per second square. Next, 10th one. Three blocks are connected as shown in figure. They are asking tension T. Clear? So, I am drawing what is the free body diagram for 3 kg block, because on 3 kg block only tension acting T. Okay, this is accelerated in this direction A. So, T is equal to what? 3 kg into acceleration. Okay, because tension is accelerating. Then how do you find A? A is equal to, for connecting bodies, F is equal to M1 plus M2 plus M3. A is equal to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So now F already given, that is it's given as 30 Newton by M1 plus M2 plus M3, 3 plus 2 plus 1. This is 5, 6, 30 by 6. Okay, cancel, it is 5 meter per second square. That value substitute here. T is equal to 3 into 5, 15 newtons. Okay. Next, 11th one. They given two objects 4 kg, 2 kg. 2 kg placed over the 4 kg. Friction between 2 kg and 4 kg is 0.5. 6 newtons is applied on 2 kg. The acceleration of the lower block is. Okay. Already we have done this problem, this kind of problem. 4 kg and 2 kg. Friction is there here 0.5. Applying force 6 newtons. Here it is smooth, no friction. Okay. First find out maximum friction between 2 and 4 kg. And F is equal to 0.5 into mg. M is 2 kg. We are calculating friction between 2 and 4. So normal reaction of 2. What is normal reaction of 2 is N is equal to mg, right? So 2 into 10. So this is 10 newtons. Maximum friction is 10 newtons. Applied force is 6 newtons. What happened? So friction between these two blocks acts as a 6 newtons. Clear? So they are asking acceleration of this. So 6 newtons will act in this direction. Clear? Friction takes both object in the applied force direction. So now this is accelerating both objects. Clear? Both masses. So this applied force is equal to, now here what happened? F is greater than is equal to F. Clear? Then what will happen? F friction will become F. This is accelerating both the systems. 2 plus 4 into T. So A is equal to, what is the force applied here? 6 newtons. So 6 by 6. A is equal to 1 meter per second square. Next, 12th one. They give an inclined plane, they are asking tension in the string. They given like this. Angle is 30 degree. Here they placed pulley and one object is like this, another one hanging like this, right? Here, so 5 kg. This is 10 kg. Consider situation as shown in the diagram. It's a smooth surface, no friction is acting. Then it is accelerating down the plane or downwards. How do we know? We need to find way. Along this direction, which component will act? That is mg sin theta. So if I write, it should be along the plane. This is mg sin theta. Here what will act? Mg acting downwards. This will be 5 into 10, 50 newtons. This we need to find mg sin theta. Mg sin theta is, what is the mass? 10 into 10 sin 30, 1 by 2. So 50 Newton. So here acting 50 Newton, here acting 50 Newton, right? On this object 50 Newton acting downwards, here 50 Newton acting downwards. Equal forces. Then system will not accelerate. It will be in equilibrium. Equilibrium means what? Tension will act here and tension will act here. Then how do we write? This balances, this tension is balances with weight. T is equal to mg. T is equal to 5 into 10. 50 Newton. Clear? Or you can equate T is equal to mg sin theta. Because system is not accelerating, it is at rest. Means all forces balance each other. T is acting up, this is balanced with mg. Or if you take all the inclined plane, this T is balanced with mg sin theta. So answer is 50. So if it is accelerated, if any value change, mass change, if suppose this is 11 kg, then what happens? This force dominates, then system will accelerate downwards. Then this goes up. In that case, equation is changes. But in this question, weights are balanced, forces balanced, so T equated. Next 13. A 4 kg block is lying on a smooth table with connected a block of mass 6 kg by a string which passes through a pulley. The 6 kg mass initially hanging vertically, tension in the string and acceleration of the block. Okay? So 13. 4 kg block is lying on a smooth table. Okay, like this. 4 kg. It's connected 6 kg using string. They are asking tension as well as acceleration. Clear? Then weight act downwards 6 into 10, 60 newtons. Tension is act upwards. Tension pulls in this direction, this accelerate downwards. Okay? So acceleration, how do you write? F is equal to F by total mass. Okay, let us say M1 plus M2. Which force is acting? 60 newtons, 60 by 4 plus 6. So this is 60 by 10. So A is equal to 6 meter per second square. Then asking tension. This object, who is feeling 4 kg object? Tension. So tension is accelerating. T. This, how do we write free body diagram for this? This is T. It is accelerating with A. Then T is equal to 4A. A we got it as 6. 4 into 6, 24 meter per second square. Clear? Next 14. The contact force between the blocks. Okay. So they are side by side in contact, 3 kg and 2 kg. This is 3 kg and this is 2 kg. Force is applied like this. This is 60 Newton force. They are asking contact force. This here contact force will develop. Let us say 2 will exert force on this. Let us say small f. This exert in this direction, small f. For 3 kg object, who is accelerating small f? So small f is equal to contact force 3 into A. How do you find acceleration? Acceleration A is equal to total force applied by total mass 3 plus 2. Or we can write m1 plus m2. So A is equal to 60 by 3 plus 2. 60 by 5. So A is equal to 12 meter per second square. Then contact force, not friction here, you take this as a contact force. Then F is equal to what? 3 into 12. 3 into 12 means 36 newtons. Okay, next 15. Two diagrams given. They are asking ratio of T1 and T2. First case, T1 is equal to what? 3 into A. Because 3 kg object accelerated, who is accelerating 3 kg block? T1. Then A, how do you write? Total force by masses m1 plus m2. Then A is equal to what? 25 by 3 plus 2. 25 by 5. So this is 5 meter per second square. Then T1 is equal to 3 into 5. It is 15 Newton. Next T2, second case. Second case, 2 kg object is accelerating. Who is accelerating? T2. So 2 into A. Again, here force remains same, masses remain same. Then A is equal to same, 5 meter per second square. Then T2 is equal to 2 into 5, 10. But what they are asking? T1 by T2. What is T1? 15. T2 10. 3 by 2. Okay, next 16. A ball is accelerating upwards by a car whose braking strength is 4 times its weight. The maximum acceleration with which the sphere can move up without breaking the car. So there is a string. In this, a ball is going up. Okay, the braking strength. The braking strength means maximum weight it can hold, maximum tension that can be hold. That is 4 times of weight of the bar. So this I can write T. T is equal to, this is the maximum, T max is equal to 4 into mg, where m is the mass of the ball. Next, what they are asking? Maximum acceleration with which the sphere can move up without breaking. Okay, if it is accelerating with A, already G is acting downwards. It is going with acceleration A. G is acting downwards. What happens when it is going up? Then T will be m into G plus A. Okay? So, they are asking this acceleration, right? Am I correct? The ball accelerating upwards by a car whose braking strength 4 times. The maximum acceleration with which the sphere can move up without breaking the car. So now equate. Then we will get the maximum. If this, so when it is accelerating A, there will be a tension. That formula is T is equal to m into G plus A. Right? As A varies, what happens? Tension changes. Right? What would be the maximum tension it can hold? 4 mg. Am I correct or not? Right? So this tension is very, it's depend on A. Clear? So if we equate, we will get acceleration mg plus ma. What happened? M cancel. 4g is equal to g plus a is equal to 3g. Clear? If it is accelerated with 3g, then maximum possibility is 3g. If it is goes with 4g, then what happened? it exceeds the maximum tension, then what is rope will break. Next is 17. A monkey descending from the branch of tree with a constant acceleration. The braking strength is 75% of the weight of the monkey. Again same, braking T maximum. Clear? Is equal to 75% of the weight. Means 75% means 3 by 4 mg. If the minimum acceleration with which the monkey can slide down without breaking the branch, now sliding down, then T is equal to, when it is sliding down, moving down with an acceleration formula in m into g minus a. So they are asking minimum acceleration. Again equate 3 by 4 mg is equal to mg minus ma. Okay, then ma is equal to all what will happen here? M cancel. So they are asking a is equal to g minus 3 by 4 g. 1 minus 3 by 4, 3 done. Okay, 1 minus 3 by 4 is what? 1 by 4. A is equal to g by 4. Okay, so g by 4 is there. So next 18. A empty plastic box of mass m is found to accelerate up at the rate g by 3 when placed deep inside water. The amount of the sand that should be put inside the box so that it may accelerate down at the rate of g by 3. There is a box. This was there in water, right? This box mass is m. So it is going up because of thrust, that we call it as a buoyancy force, that is Fb. And weight is acting downwards, but due to here buoyancy force is dominating, so it is accelerating up according to question. Then how do you write equation? Fb minus mg is equal to ma. Next case is what? Same box. We need to add extra, that is m dash. Already m is what? Mass of the box. So here I can write m plus m dash. So now by adding this, what happened? According to question, it is accelerating down with g by 3. So mg is acting downwards. Mg means, how do you write? M plus m dash into g. But buoyancy force is always at upwards. So now it is accelerating downwards. What is dominating? Weight dominating. So how do you write equation? M plus m dash g minus fb is equal to m plus m dash into g by 3. Am I correct or not? So here a is equal to going up with g by 3. So this equation we can write g by 3. Okay, so don't come. Fb minus mg is equal to ma. A is g by 3. Here also same. I am writing directly. Here. So this equation and this equation. Add these two. What will happen? If you add 1 and 2, here plus fb is there, plus fb is there, minus fb is there. Will be cancelled. So this I can write by 1 plus 2. Adding. By adding, what will be cancelled? Fb cancelled. So mg plus m dash g minus mg is equal to mg by 3 plus m dash, already g by 3 is there. Okay, can we take common g by 3? If you take it common, g by 3, what do you get? 2m plus m dash. Am I correct or not? So mg cancel, plus mg minus mg cancel. Here this comes this side. 3m dash g is equal to, okay, 2mg plus g dash. Gm all what happened? Gg cancel. M dash count this side. 3m dash minus m dash is equal to 2m. 2m dash is equal to 2m. 2 cancel. So m dash is equal to m. So amount of sand is what? M. Okay, next 90. The constant contact force between block B and C is here it is there, the lift is given as a okay, it accelerating with A is equal to what is that? 2 meter per second square. They are asking B and C contact force between B and C. This is A, B, C. Here they are asking. Okay. This contact force normal reaction act upwards, Mg act downwards. What is Ma plus Mb into G? Clear? Okay, normal reaction. Free body diagram, how do you write? This downwards, Ma plus Mb into G, normal reaction acts upwards, but system is accelerating downwards. Now frame the equation and we will get the answer. Clear? Okay, now what they are asking? Contact force they are asking, N they are asking. So how do you write that? Now, which is dominating? Ma plus Mb into G, right? Minus N is equal to, we are talking about B. So, it is 2A. Or this we can write MB A. Clear? Now, they are asking M. So, substitute the values. MA, what is MA? Mass of the 1, object A is 1, B is 2 into 10 minus N is equal to mass of B is 2 into what is that? 2. So 30 minus N is equal to 4. N is equal to 30 minus 4. It is 26 newtons. No option is there. Yeah, here equation is correct, but here both accelerating same Ma plus Mb into A. So this is 2 plus 1 into A. What is this A? 2. So this is 6. Then it is 24 newtons because where we taken here B and C. So these we consider as the same. AB block A and B we consider as a 1. So both accelerating with A1. So then answer is 24 newtons. Next 20. A block of mass 2 kg is placed on the triangle block of mass 10 kg as shown in figure. All surfaces are smooth. What horizontal acceleration should be given to the triangular block so that the block move together? Okay. So this is the block. This angle is 30 degree. This is inclined surface angle. Then this block mass we take it as a capital M. On this another block placed. Okay, this block mass we take it small m. Okay, after first we frame the equations, then or we will take this as a theta. First we will frame the equation, then we are applying. Now this block is accelerating in this direction. Minimum acceleration to be given to this block, clear, so that it will be on the inclined plane. What horizontal acceleration should be given triangular block, so that the block move together. Okay, then what happened when we push this, when we accelerate, if we take it as this is we are applying, we are giving the acceleration to this block, not to this block. So what happened? It suddenly, then this suddenly moved with an acceleration forward. This experience same acceleration bar in opposite direction. See, when suddenly bus moves forward, where will it fall back? Where will it fall? We will fall back. Like that, this block also move back. It will not move back. It experience pseudo force, that we call it as. Clear? So this acceleration A. See, this actually act at the center, but to understand, to consider the angle I am taking here. Okay? We will extend the block, no problem. So this theta. This is theta. Because this and this horizontal, so this theta is there. Now this acceleration A. If you resolve this, one resolve onto the inclined plane, this will act upwards, A cos theta. Okay, clear? But G is acting downwards. Along this, which component will act? G sin theta. Right? If we consider masses, then what will happen? This will be mg, this is mg sin theta, and this is ma cos theta. Right? And normal reaction acts like this. Already one which component will balances, that is mg cos theta, this balances, right? And this one, due to this force, another component, one component already resolved up the plane, ma cos theta, another component A, that is ma sin theta. Clear? Understand? By giving this acceleration, it experiences pseudo force that will act back. Already I explained how we experience. If we suddenly apply the brake, we fall front. Suddenly start the vehicle, we fall back. Like that, this block also fall back. So when back, then the acceleration it moves back with an acceleration A. So if you resolve this A into two components, one will act up the plane, and already mg sin theta acting downwards. This mg sin theta and ma cos theta balance each other. Because they asked these two, according to question, these two blocks move together. So along the inclined plane, what are acting up the plane? Ma cos theta, this balances with mg sin theta, mm cancel. So A, how do you write? G by G into sin theta by cos theta. So A is equal to G tan theta. This A value. Then M. This is not M, this is M. Then N is balances with. Both are acting. That is mg cos theta plus ma sin theta. So these two are important on inclined plane. When inclined plane is accelerated. Now the substitute the given values. What should be the given value? They are asking acceleration. What would be the acceleration so that both blocks moves together? Acceleration in A is equal to G tan theta. G value is 10. Angle is given. This angle is given 30 degree. Tan or tan 30. Tan 30 is what? 10 into sin 30 by cos 30. So 1 by 2 by root. So this is 1 by root 3. 10 by root 3 meter per second square. Next, what did they ask? In the previous problem, 21 problem. In the previous problem, the contact force between the block and between the blocks. Then how do we calculate? Then 21 we will do here. What is the contact force between block and small block? Big block and small block is N. The N formula already we calculated, mg cos theta plus ma sin theta. Only small n involves. Okay. So N is equal to mg sin theta plus ma cos theta, right? Okay, m is common in this. So g sin theta plus a cos theta. What is m? Mass of the block they mentioned 2 na? Yes, 2 kg. G asking us to take 10. What is the angle? 30. Sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus. Clear? A. What is A? 10 by root 3 into cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Am I correct or not? mg cos theta and ma sin theta. mg we are doing wrong here. Formula already derived, but we taken wrong form. See here. What is that? mg cos theta plus ma sin theta. What is common? M common. G cos theta plus a sin theta, right? And now m value is what? 2. G is 10. Cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus a we calculated 10 by root 3 into sin 30 1 by 2. Am I correct? So 1 by 2 common. So 2 by 2 10 into root 3 plus 10 by root 3. Am I correct or not? 2 cancel. LCM is root 3. So 10 into root 3 into root 3. So 10 into 3 plus 10. 40 by root 3 Newton. So 40 by root 3 Newton. Clear? 22nd. Two fixed frictionless inclined plane making an angle 30 degree and 60 degree with the vertical as shown in the figure. Two blocks A and B are placed on the two planes. What is the relative acceleration of A with respect to B? They are asking relative acceleration. So A, B. How do you write? A minus AB. VAB type. Okay. First we need to find object A acceleration, object B acceleration. So they given inclined plane like this, right? So this is 60 degree. Along this, what is acceleration? A is equal to g sin theta, right? Right. This, how do you write 10 into? First given 60 degree. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is 5 root 3. But they are asking vertical acceleration. Clear? So this is acceleration along this side, but they are asking this one. Clear? This the angle is 60, this is 90. This angle and this angle will be same. So along the vertical, this resolve, that is A cos theta. So AA is equal to A cos theta. This is 90, this is 60. What would be the theta? This is 30 degree. So A value calculated as 5 root 3 cos 30. 5 root 3 cos 30 m root 3 by 2. Am I correct or not? So 5 into 3 by meter per second square. First one is over. Now second one. This is angle is given 30 degree. What is this acceleration again? A is equal to g sin theta. So 10 into sin 30 1 by 2. This is 5 meter per second square. But they are asking vertical acceleration. This one. Okay, this angle is theta. This angle is theta. Here AB is equal to A cos theta. Then how do you write AB is equal to A cos? This is 30 this is 90 and this is 60. So A already calculated 5 cos 60, 1 by 2. 2 or 5 into 1 by 2 meter per second square. But what they are asking? AA minus AB. So this I can write 15 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Sorry, yeah. What do you get? 10 by 2. Am I correct or not? Sin 30, 1 by 2, right? Here sin 60, root 3 by 2, 5 root 3, correct? Cos 30, root 3 by 2, right? Here 5 by 2, we are getting 10 by 2. So 4.9 they take it. What does it mean? That they did not take 10, they taken as 9.8. That's why they got 4.9 meter per second square. Okay, we will do one thing. So we will keep it this G as it is. Then we will come to know clarity. Then this is G by 2, right? Here also we will do as same as it is. Then this will be G by 2. Next, this is G by 2, right? And this is G by 2. Then what do we get? 3G by 4 we will get. Right? Here also same, G by 2. Then what do we get? G by 4. Now we will do here, because they did not take 10 in the answers, they given 4.9, 4.9. So then what is this? 3G by 4 minus G by 4, right? So 4 is LCM, 2G by 4, 2 ones, 2 twos, G by 2. G value is 9.8 by 2. Then this is 4.9 meter per second square. If we take it 10, what do we get? There we will get 5. But in the option they given 4.9. So 4.9 vertical direction. Next, 23. The mass of the ball 200 grams, the tension in the string. Lift is going up. Then what is the formula? T is equal to normal reaction formula is given, but T also same, M into G plus A. Okay? T. So normal reaction tension formulas remain, but when accelerate up, this will be the G plus A, whatever may be here, tension or normal reaction. Okay? Now T is equal to what is the mass? 200 grams, right? 200 grams, how do you write into kg? How do you write? M is equal to 200 grams. How to convert into kg? 200 into 10 power minus 3 kg. Now write down. 200 into 10 power minus 3, 10 plus A. What is A value? 2. So 200 in, this is 0.2 into 12. So 2 into 12, 24. One decimal is there. 2.4 Newton. Okay. Now sir, how do you know this G value 9.8 and 10 some questions you are substituting 10, some questions you are substituting 9.8. So in this book they did not mention, but in the examination they will mention clearly what to take for G value, 10 or 9.8. But this is our practice book, so don't worry. So you do not worry about the G value. They will provide in the question. Next, 24. A person of mass 60 kg is inside the lift of mass 950 kg and presses the button on the control panel. The lift starts moving upwards with an acceleration 1 meter per second square. G 10 meter per second square. The tension in the cable. Now this is the lift. Lift mass capital M. Here there is a person. This person mass MP is equal to 60 kg. What is lift mass? This cabin mass capital M is equal to cabin mass is 940 kg. It is going up with an acceleration 1 meter per second square. They are asking tension in this. Now how the lift moves up? There is a cable above this, one cable attached to this cabin that pulls up. So this they are asking T. It is going up, formula remains same. Here M is total mass. Okay, M total into G plus A. So how do you take? T is equal to total mass means what? Mass of the person plus cabin into G plus A. G asking us to take 10. So person mass is to 60. Cabin mass 940 into G value 10. A value 1. So 60 into 940 1000. Then T is equal to 1000 into 10 plus 1 11. So 11,000 Newton. Clear. Next 25. A boy of mass 60 kg stands on a weighing scale in a lift which is moving downwards with an uniform acceleration 5 meter per second square. The reading scale. This is 25th. When lift is moving down, normal reaction formula N is equal to M into G minus A. What is the mass of the person? 40. G value 10. With an acceleration, with what acceleration it is going down? 5. So 40 into 10 minus 5. So it is 200 Newton. Okay. Next, we'll see this 26. A block of A can slide on the smooth inclined plane of inclination alpha and length d. Kept inside a lift going up with uniform velocity. The block is released from top and the time taken by it to reach the bottom. Okay, here they given lift. In the lift there is a inclined plane. It's making an alpha object released from the top. So this inclined length is given. This is given as d. It is going up with constant velocity. Constant velocity means there is no acceleration. A is equal to 0. So no acceleration. It is no problem with that. We cannot add and subtract. Only g is acting. Which component accelerate this object? That is along the plane A is equal to G sine alpha. Acceleration of the block is Ag sine alpha. It is starting at rest. U is equal to 0. So inclined distance given as inclined length given as d. What they are asking? The block is released. Time taken by it to reach the bottom. Okay. Then which formula is there? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Displacement means what? Length of the inclined plane d. Initial velocity 0. Half. What is the acceleration along the inclined plane? G sine alpha t square. This how do we write? 2d is equal to g sine alpha t square. T square if you make it subject to 2d by g sine alpha. T is equal to root of 2d by g sine alpha. 2d by g sine alpha. Check this answer. 26th. 26th they given option. Yeah, correct. Okay, next 27. Already we discussed in the synopsis. Go to page number. And page number 83, it was there for which question? 27th question. Where was there? It is 83. In 83. What is that 27 question? The angle made by the spring with the vertical equilibrium. Where is that? That is here in 82 is there. Tan theta is equal to A naught by G. Okay, theta is equal to tan inverse of A by G. In synopsis they given A naught, but in this question they mentioned here. Next 28. 28 also is there. What did they ask? The previous problem, tension in the string. What is the tension in the string? That was there in 83. T is equal to under root of mg square plus ma square. Okay, if m take it common, then m into under root of g square plus a square. So option 4. Next 29. A block is kept on a floor of the lift at rest. The lift starts descending with the acceleration of 15 meter per second square. The displacement of the block during first 0.5 seconds after the start. 29. There is a lift. Here a block is placed. Now lift is accelerating. A is equal to 15 meter per second square. G is 10 meter per second square. Which acceleration is more? Lift acceleration. As soon as this lift accelerates with this is more than the acceleration due to gravity, then what happens? It loses contact. It will be this move faster than this object. Right? So they are asking object displacement. Then we initially, when before start, initial velocity is 0. Then displacement is s is equal to ut plus of at square. Here it is. So s is equal to u is 0 of what is the acceleration of this block? Once it is separated from the cabin, which acceleration act on this object? Acceleration due to gravity. So gd square. So half into 10 into t asking us to take 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds means 1 by 2 seconds. So 1 by 2 whole square. 10 by 2. 2 square 4. 4 into 2 8. So this is 1.25 meters. Clear? 30 we discussed in the last. 31. Sorry, 29 over. 30 we discussed in the last. 31. A particle of mass 3 kg is subjected to a force F is equal to minus kx. K is 15 Newton per meter. What will be the initial acceleration if it is released from 0.20 centimeter away from the origin? What they are asking? Acceleration they are asking. Clear? Okay. Mass is given. M is equal to 0.3 kg. K given, force constant, that is 15 Newton per meter. Displacement is given. X is equal to 20 centimeter. 20 into 10 power minus 2 meter. They given force formula. F is equal to minus kx. Okay, both are opposite. That's not required. We are calculating only magnitude. This we can write MA is equal to kx. A is equal to kx by m. Sum to the values. K value 15. X value 20 into 10 power minus 2 by 0.3. So this we can write 150 into 20 into 10 power minus 2 by 3. One decimal remove, 10 increase. So this 0 cancel. 3 ones, 3 5s, 10 newtons. There are 10 meters per second square. Check this option 31. 31 is to 10 meters per second square. Right. Next 32. A light spring is balanced. Light spring balance hangs from the hook of the other light spring balance. A block of mass m is kilogram, mass capital M kilogram hangs from the from one. Which of the following statement about the scale reading is true? They given like this. This is one spring balance. For this another spring balance, they suspended like this. Here they have the capital M. What they are asking? They are asking scale reading. Both scales read m by 2 kilogram. Both scale read m kilogram each. The scale of the lower one read m kilogram. Of the upper one is 0. The reading of the two scales can be anything, but the sum of the reading will be m kilogram. Weight is remain same on both, so they will show same reading. Option 2 is correct. Next 33. If the block is displaced towards right by distance x, the initial acceleration of the block. This is connected like this, right? 2k and 3k. This combination we can draw like this also. See, reason descent connected to wall. Am I correct or not? So make it like this, nothing wrong. 2k and 3k. And the other ends of two springs connected to the block. So this is M. If they connected parallel, what is the K equivalent? K equivalent is equal to K1 plus K2. That is 2k plus 3k. This is 5k. Then force formula F is equal to minus K equivalent into X. This M A K equivalent is what? 5k. Leave it minus because X, F and X opposite direction. So X as it is. A is equal to 5kx by M. It's there 5kx by M.